the experiences which is worth remembering is how to interact with a deaf-mute individual, and I also had a chance to get acquainted with the real deaf-mute and how to communicate. So it was a challenge on my part. And aside from that, it's also an opportunity to be working with Medyo Maldito and of course Dante Luzon, who is also a veteran actor. And that's my first tandem with him. And of course, Akiko, who is also a rising star. Magbuwag ta kay gipalabi nako ang akong pamilya.